Ladies and gentlemen, we're still on Central Time, 3:20 p.m. local time. Good afternoon and welcome to Kansas City International Airport. We're going to be taxied to our terminal in the next few minutes. For your safety and the safety of those passengers sitting next to you, please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened, leaving all your personal items secure all the way under the seat in front of you. Please keep the center aisle clear and do not release your seatbelt until we park at the gate and captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once you get off, please be careful when opening overhead compartments inside may have shifted during takeoff or landing. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, American Eagle allow you to use your cell phone. It is okay for you to deactivate the airplane mode, and if you need to make a phone call, please feel free and do so. Other electronic devices like laptop, computer, or any other device with a similar size, they must remain off until we park at the gate. And ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of American Airlines, American Eagle, and Chicago flight crew, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We know you got choices in your travel plan, and we thank you for choosing American Airlines. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there. For your own safety, please remain seated. And ladies and gentlemen, as we're getting closer to our terminal, we have one more request for you. After the seatbelt sign is off, I will need everyone to remain seated, please. Here at American Airlines, we are practicing social distance, therefore we're going to be deplaning this airplane by row number. We're going to start from the front all the way to the back. So ladies and gentlemen, please, after the seatbelt sign is off, remain seated. You can get up and grab your personal item from the overhead compartment right after the row in front of you has been cleared. Again, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Welcome to Kansas City.
Estuve todo el día haciendo